Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch not hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know. More life, more prosperity, big up everybody in a team and stop we say, you know, God we say, you know. Not stupidness in a dancehall, we say, you know his style, you know.
Exactly.
Bubble for me, girl, bubble for me.
Man.
Take your time, girl. Whoa. Look out for the thing, you hear that?
Man.
Trouble.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know.
London.
So right now we feature live of the ones, the threes, the C's, the D's, the DVDs, and the MP3s, skip it to Kennedy, St. John's, the BC. Are you ready for Kevin Lyttle? Kevin Lyttle! Check, 1, 2. 1, 2. Kevin Lyttle! Kevin Lyttle! How you feeling out there? All my ladies, let me hear you scream! Shout out my brother Charly Black, you know, man. Everybody say happy birthday, Charly! Happy birthday, Charly! You don't know. Alright. DJs, run tune, next tune. Where my Jamaican people in the house there? Where my Jamaican massive there? Where my Trini massive there? We go like this. We rock it. Anybody from my country, St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Where's my Vincy Massive? Yeah, man, big up yourself. Yo, I like this crowd. It's very intimate, you know what I'm saying? Is anybody from Barbados in the building? Anybody from Antigua, Grenada? Yeah? Anybody from Haiti in the building? Any Trinidadians in the building? Alright. Any Jamaicans in the building? Alright, DJ, run the next track. We go! She's got to touch it, it's all I ever wanted. On that spell, she had me crash. I swore I was anointed. Lord, she had me drooling for a while. Like taking candy from a child. I can't believe the changes I've made since I met my baby. You know, put your hands in it. Come on, sing it. She drive me crazy. She having my baby. She drive me crazy. And there's no answer, baby. You know, listen. Like a volcano, she erupts, blowing up my finger. Demon in sweet morning syrup. I chose the wrong place. I'll never trust a place fire. Sexy woman on profile. It's a like I'm judgeable by looking at the cover. She drives me crazy. She's having my baby. She drives me crazy. And there's no way. Yo, when Sean Paul was here, what Sean Paul gonna say? Are you ready? Pick us on now. Well, I don't really care what people say. I don't really. Cause I might not play number. All I know the time is just guessing. Got a lot of trees up in my. Got a little damsel in my. Run that. Everybody say whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Yo, put your hands in the air right now for Charly Black Man. Come on. Put your hands in the air, yeah. DJ, pull out that. Now hold on. Y'all ready for me to leave or I can stay a little longer? Can I stay a little longer? Okay, so listen, right? There's a few songs that I own that you may not know that I own, right? So this is one song that I own that you may not know that I own. Run it. Y'all know that song? All my ladies scream! She look good, muy bonita. You wish she move behind me as a picture. She rocks up, she beats up. We only dance to reggae and calypso. Look how the girls pop up on her intro. Look how she move fast and I dance. Muy bonita. Come on! Mamacita. Girl, when you come behind you. Feel alright. Coulda dance for like if you want to. Till the morning light. Love how the feeling from Calypso. I bet somebody say whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. So, go Charly, go Charly, go. Go Charly, go Charly, go. DJ, play it low, play it low. Charly, how old are you now? I heard you were like 25. Charly? I'm 35. Say what? You're 21 today? 21? 31? You didn't like the 21? You want me 31? Alright, baby, go on, cuz. Yo, big up the lady, man. What's your name? Sarah. Everybody say happy birthday, Sarah. Turn it up, DJ. We go one more time. We go like this. I send my next shot as a killer. Device tonight, yeah, so sweet, yeah. I man's fuck a sweet señorita. We are bounce to the bass and the Twitter. She look good, my bonita. The way she move remind me of me. She runs up, she beats up. She only dance to reggae and calypso. Look how the dress pop up on her hips up. Look how she move fast and her grace. My bonita, mama sita. Girl, why let me come behind you? Make you feel alright. Go and dance all night if you want. Shout out my brother, Skinny Fabulous, coming out soon. You know what I'm saying? All my Caribbean massive. It's a Vinci affair tonight with Jamaica. So all my Jamaican people, make some noise for our country, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, man. Come on. Yeah. We got another artist from my country, a brother by the name of Marlo. He's in the back there chilling out as well. You know what I'm saying? Hand in your mother can. Are they know that song? Me alone drink a whole bottle of rum. Where am there? Hand in your... Marlo! Marlo! Marlo, come in. Marlo, ready? Where you go? Come Marlo. Marlo going once.
He's right here.
Marlo going twice.
Don't go twice.
Oh yeah, Jamaica. I forget Jamaicans are in the house. My apologies. Marlo, ready? People make some noise for Marlo! Come on.
Right now we're celebrating Charly Black's birthday, right? And we're gonna do it the right way. Anybody drinking run for the night? Make some noise now. DJ, you ready? You ready? Hold it. Hold on. Stop it, DJ. Watch you all go on. Celebrate a cappella anything. I believe some people know this song, so we're gonna sing it. This way, Kevin. You ready? I said me alone, you can hold back the rum. Me alone, you can hold back the rum. Hand in the mother. I sit down and I watch up in the sky. I lay down and I just start to cry. I never feel so since I'm born. Kevin tell me that is hard. I say me alone, you can hold back the rum. Sing, say hand in the mother. I say me alone, you can hold back the rum. Hand in me. Yo, thank you guys very much. My name is Marlon Ben Kevin. Big up yourself. Big up Skinny Fabulous. Big up Charly Blacks. Landlord. Yo, love in the house.
Alright, DJ, you know what to do. It's Carnival! Oh yeah! Put your hands in the air, ladies. Come on, let's go. He said, pull up. Happy birthday to the beautiful young lady over there by the bar. I didn't get to name. But happy birthday. Yeah.